two departments are given. So make the columns debit side particulars, the department A rupees and department B rupees. Same columns on credit side particulars, then department A rupees, department B rupees. Now for the profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account is the combined account. So it may requires 15 lines blank for the both trading and profit and loss account. Keep 15 lines blank. Then next account, general profit and loss account. General profit and loss account. Now for this account, keep 6-7 lines blank. 6 to 7 lines blank. Then balance sheet as on 31st December. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. 2017. So balance sheet have two sides. Left hand side liabilities and another column amount. Liabilities and amount. Right hand side assets and amount. Assets and amount. Now for the balance sheet again keep 7 to 8 lines blank. 7 to 8 lines blank. So one by one we are going to start now with the information given in the trial balance. So only one adjustment is regarding closing stock is given. So none other adjustments are there. So first item in the trial balance, share capital, balance sheet, liability side. Go to the balance sheet, liability side, and write there share capital. Share capital, inner amount 1 lakh. Inner column amount 1 lakh. Now whatever may be the other items given in the trial balance, we can transfer to the particular account. So stock of A and B, that is opening stock, trading account debit side. Go to the trading account debit side. To opening stock, A department column 40,000 and B department column 2,500. So what is given in the problem, accordingly we are recorded to the A and B. Then purchases, trading account debit side, 2 purchases. No returns are given, so direct A department 5,50,000 and B department 5,000. B department column 5,000. Then sales are given, trading account credit side, buy sales. A department 6,25,000. 6,25,000. and B department 75,000. B department 75,000. Then transfer of goods to B department. Now interdepartmental transfer is to be recorded on trading account both credit and debit side. So transfer of goods to B department, amount is given 25,000, 25,000. So trading account credit side, by transfer of goods to department B, by transfer of goods to department B, amount is to be recorded on A department column 25,000 and B department dash, B department column dash. सो बी ला आपण वस्तू पाठवल्या त्यामुळे ए च्या कॉलमला आपण 25,000 लिहिले क्रेडिटला. आता तेच डेबिटला टू ट्रान्सफर ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट ए, ट्रान्सफर ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट ए. नाउ ए कॉलम डैश, A column amount dash, and B department 25,000. B department 25,000. Then director's fees and remuneration. Now this is the item which is recorded on debit side of general profit and loss account. We are prepared separate general profit and loss account. So on the debit side of general profit and loss account, to directors fees and remuneration, only one column of amount is there. To directors fees and remuneration, amount 15,000, 15,000, because there is no allocation given for the directors remuneration and fees. That's why we are transferred it to the general profit and loss account. Then wages and salaries. Now word used here is first wages. So we can transfer this to the trading account debit side. To wages and salaries, the word wages is first. That's why we can record it on the trading account debit side. To wages and salaries, A department 10,000 and B department 20,000. So if the salary word is used first, then we can transfer this to the profit and loss account debit side. Now here wages is used first word. That's why we are recording it to the trading account debit side. Then rent and rates. Now into the bracket, 3/4 amount is to be allocated to A department and remaining 1/4 to the B department. So allocation is made according to 3:1. So write profit and loss account debit side. Now for the trading account, keep 2-3 lines blank for making total or gross profit recording. And then write after 2-3 lines blank, to rent and rates, to rent and rates, into bracket 3:1. The allocation is to be made according to 3/4 and 1/4. So 3:1. So amount of rent and rates is given 4,000. So A department 3,000 and B department 1,000. A department 3,000 and B department 1,000. Then lighting, profit and loss account debit side to lighting. Now here reverse ratio will become 1:3 into bracket 1:3. The amount is given 1,000. So A department 250, first column 250, and B department 750. 750. Then depreciation is given, first B department and again A department. So write it on debit side of profit and loss account. To depreciation, write first to the B column, B department 2,500, and then A department 500. So 2,500 to B department and 500 to A department. Then office expenses, no allocation is given. So it is to be transferred to general profit and loss account. To office expenses, amount 1,500. 1,500. Then furniture and fittings, balance sheet asset side. Furniture and fitting is the asset. So balance sheet asset side, furniture and fittings, no any adjustment, direct outer column 10,000. Direct outer column 10,000. Then office salaries, profit and loss account debit side. Sorry, the information is given and no allocation is given. So general profit and loss account, not profit and loss account, general profit and loss account. To office salaries, amount column 8,000. Amount column 8,000. Then equipment. What is equipment? Anybody? Can anybody tell me what is the equipment? Equipment काय आहे? कुठं नोंदवायचं, काय आहे हे ओळखता आलं पाहिजे. डेबिट बॅलन्स दिला इक्विपमेंटचा 25,000. Boyer, what is equipment? Balance शीटच्या asset side ला equipment is asset. What is equipment? Equipment is a asset. That is the answer. So balance sheet asset side after furniture and fittings, write equipment 25,000. Equipment 25,000. Then carriage inwards, where it is recorded carriage inward, carriage inward, where it comes? Trading account debit side, right? Yes, trading account debit side. To carriage inward, only a department is given, so only a column 33,000 and B column dash. Carriage inward 33,000 A column, B column dash. Then investment. What is investment? It is asset. When I am asking the question, just give the quick answer. Investment is to be recorded on asset side. So what is our investment means? It is asset. Balance sheet asset side, investment. 50,000. Outer column amount 50,000. Then income from investment. It is a income. So income is to be recorded on general profit and loss account credit side. General profit and loss account. For that, keep 2-3 lines blank. त्याच्या अगोदर क्रेडिटला 2-3 ओळी जागा ठेवा. And then write by income from investment, general profit and loss account. By income from investment, 5,000. 5,000. And cash at bank, it is asset. Balance sheet asset side, cash at bank. Amount column 27,000. Amount is 27,000. So all the items of trial balance we are recorded. Now the adjustment. Closing stock of A on hand was rupees 48,000 and that of B in amounted to rupees 3,750. So first effect, trading account credit side by closing stock. By closing stock, A department column 48,000 and B department column 3,750. 3,750. Next effect, this is the adjustment. Every adjustment has two-fold effects. Balance sheet asset side, stock, underline. Next line, A department, inner column 48,000. Inner column 48,000. And the next line, B department 3,750. 3,750. So total of both these outer column 51,750. 51,750. So all the things we are recorded properly to the particular account. Now make the total of trading account credit side, A department and B department column totals. So A department 6,25,000 plus 25,000 means 7 lakhs. Sorry, 6,50,000 and add 48,000. 6,98,000. A column total 6,98,000 and that of B 75,000 and 3,750 in 78,750. 78,750. Right, same amount on debit side. A department 6,98,000 and B department 78,750. 78,750. Now what will be the difference? That is gross profit to gross profit carried down. To gross profit carried down debit side. What is the difference of A and B? Amount of difference A and that of B. Anybody? A department gross profit difference is 65,000. Janvi Thakur, right answer. Then that of B, Manali Tandel, yes, okay. Now tell me the B's difference, gross profit. B department gross profit. Not 25. It is wrong answer, Janvi. It is wrong. Check it. Yes. 26,250. 26,250. Yes. Harshali, yes, right. So 26,250 is the B's gross profit. So transfer it to the credit side of profit and loss account by gross profit brought down. By gross profit brought down. A column 65,000 and B column 26,250. 26,250. This is the total of credit side 65,000 and 26,250. Only one amount is there. That's why there is no question of making the total. Whatever may be the amount written, that is total. 65,000 and 26,250. Record it on debit side of profit and loss account. A column 65,000 total and B 26,250. Now what is the difference? That is to net profit carried down. To net profit carried down. A department and B department. Quick, hurry up. $65,000 $3,750 वजा करायचे डायरेक्ट. 61,250. Manali Tandel. And what is the B? 26,250 मधून 22,000. Yes, it is also right. 22,000. Now write it on general profit and loss account credit side by net profit brought down. By net profit brought down. Underline. Next line, A department, inner column, 61,250. Inner amount, 61,250. And department B, 22,000. Then outer column total of both these 83,250. 83,250. Now make the total of credit side 83,250 plus 5,000, 88,250. 88,250. Same amount debit side 88,250. 88,250. The difference is net earnings to net earnings. What is the amount? Net earning difference 63,700. 63,750 is the right answer. Now this 63,750 is to be recorded liability side, where we are recorded share capital, inner column 1 lakh. Into that add net earnings. Net earnings 63,750. 63,750. So outer column total 1,63,750. 1,63,750. Balance sheet total 1,63,750. Liability and assets 1,63,750. So how many problems we are completed till today? किती झाले डिपार्टमेंटल अकाउंटचे प्रॉब्लेम? Anybody? 5. So on Saturday, we are again having one problem on departmental accounts, and then this topic will be completed. शनिवारी आपण एक प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ याच्यावरचा, आणि मग आपला हा डिपार्टमेंटल अकाउंट टॉपिक संपेल. ओके, बाय.